Hi everybody, it's Nakia Does All, and I want to say hey, happy fall y'all. Y'all know it's Monday. Officially it's Monday. Fall is Monday. But anyway, today I'm going to do some DIYs today. And I had got a comment on the mesh pumpkin. So I'm going to show you guys how I made that mesh pumpkin today. And everything that I had purchased has come from the Dollar Tree. There'll be some more things with the DIY. I'm not just going to make a mesh pumpkin, but I'm thinking about refurbishing this, which I know you guys seen in a video I did. I spray painted this. And it was from an old floral arrangement that I had done. So I'm going to put some autumn flowers in there to try to enhance it with a little bit of Halloween flair and I guess November flair. I'm trying to make it all work until Christmas time. So I can just pull things out, like take the Halloween stuff out and maybe add a little bit more of the November stuff. But everything that I'm going to do today is just going to be stuff that I took from around the house, which is this, and do a floral arrangement on. I'm going to show you how I did the mesh pumpkin, and I'm also going to show you guys an easy decor item you can put outside, which you guys knew I had hauled this in the massive Dollar Tree haul. I hauled this, and I was going to show you guys how you can easily make this out of a wreath, or you can just put it outside in beside your front door and make it a little decor item, or maybe somewhere in the home you can use this as well. Also, I'm thinking about doing the Halloween witch wreath as well, so be on the lookout for that video as well. And I know some of you ladies are like, when you gonna do your nails again? When you gonna put a nail video out there? Well, I don't have any nails on, guys, so that will be coming soon too. So yeah, without me rambling so much, because y'all know when I get in front of this camera I be ready to talk and tell y'all little stuff. Well, I don't know if I told y'all a whole lot, but I just be rambling. But without further ado, yeah, let's go ahead and get to the craft.